silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to... Hello guys, it's another day. So it's early in the morning, around 10. I want to fold the clothes, you guys. It has been a while, you guys, before folding my clothes, you guys. Yeah, my nanny usually wash them and just put them in that basket. So today is on a weekend, so I've located time to fold the clothes. Yes, you can see I'm done there. I want to go and arrange them in the closet, and later on I'd cleaned the dishes and then I'd left the sufurias there. So I want to clean these sufurias deep, give them a very deep cleaning, you guys. Here, so even you, my name is Adija. In this channel I does content basically on homemaking. So if you are new, consider subscribing, and if you love a vlog about a homemaking, you're in the right place. So relax and let's enjoy this vlog together and get motivated to clean your home. Yes, so for returning subscriber, thank you so much for always supporting my content, you guys. You are doing amazing, wonderful job. So yeah, the reason why I left this video is because I need to give them a very deep cleaning. I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. So guys, here I have sweet potatoes. I want to boil for 2 days. So these are round one. So I'm boiling the sweet potatoes. Actually, I'm just steaming. And then those are leftovers that we have been having at 10. So I want to put them aside, and then I will still make some juice. So for the juice, you are going to have mango, apple, and banana. Yeah, it is just for my toddler alone. So yeah, because he don't usually take tea in the morning when he goes to school.
So if you give him tea, he will say no, you don't want. So I decided to come up with this idea of making juice at the evening, and then I leave it 1 cup for him for the morning, and it's actually working. He loves the juice so much. So that is what I've been doing. You know, he's just new in school, so waking up and eating at that time hakuwa amezoea. So yeah, so with time we will catch up. He has just joined school, guys. I thank God. The far we are from, it's just further in heaven. So I'm just going to make that mango, apple and banana juice for my toddler, you guys. Nowadays not a toddler, he's a big boy who has joined school, and I'm proud for myself. Yeah, so if you are new, kindly leave a positive comment, subscribe, hit that bell so that when I post a video on Tuesdays and Fridays at 12 p.m. you are the first one to be notified. Yeah, so we love smoothie in this house so much, but of late I've not been taking even natural sugars, you guys. So yeah, that's why you saw me not making some juice smoothies. And yes, my kids have gone back to school, so it's just a toddler. I will just make 1 cup. Yeah, so it's time to blend. I'm using that commercial blender, you guys. Soon I'll be doing I just want to make uji power using that commercial blender, you guys. Soon, very soon, yeah, you'll be seeing a uji power video in this channel, so stay tuned for more. Yes, even yogurt, there's someone who told me to do again a yogurt making at home, so I will give you another yogurt making at home and baking using a sand, you guys. Ni makaa sina, I could have baked using the charcoal. So soon, God's willing. Yeah, if I'll have time, you guys. I'm busy with work. Yeah, so like I didn't post last week. Yeah, I didn't post last week Friday. I was very busy at work, you guys. So I'm creating time for you for my content, but I'll try as much as I can to bring you those videos, yogurt at home and uji power at home. Yeah, so the juices are ready, as you can see over there. So that is what we are going to actually for a toddler for evening, and the nanny, and then another 1 cup for him for the morning as he leaves to school. So those yams are ready there. So nitaenda kuweka another round 2 ya yams. Yeah, those yams I bought them at 100 bob, you guys, and there were so many, so I just want to boil them and just put them in the fridge. We will have them 2 days. Actually, I'm the only one who loves this yogurt, not yogurt, yams at home for breakfast. I love so much. Yeah, so I was steaming. I'm adding water there so that they can be ready well, and then I'm going to add that Himalaya salt. The reason why I'm adding salt there is because salt usually fight the acidity of yams. Sweet potatoes has acid, so when you are boiling, kindly add the salt and thank me later. Yeah, so I'm using that electric cooker. It is very fast. Yeah, so and then the other side I want to make lunch, you guys. We are going to have a late lunch because I've been busy since morning. So for the lunch we are going to have spaghetti and chicken breast. So stay tuned for the recipe, you guys.
I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
So the potatoes are ready, and that is chicken breast stew is ready, and then spaghetti there. That is what we are going to have for lunch. Yeah, but for the sweet potatoes we are going to have them for our breakfast. Yeah, so see what I served my family with. So that delicious meal. Yeah, simple delicious meal and very yummy. Yeah, so on the other side, guys, I want to make dinner, and for dinner we are going to have ugali, greens and meat. So no more talking, just see what I did, and remember to
Only thing I can
subscribe
see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight.
So guys, our dinner is ready. You can see there's sukuma wiki there, meat stew and ugali. So very delicious and very yummy and ready for our dinner. So till the next video, bye lovelies.